No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Hi there, long time no see. Actually, this is the first time when I show my face on YouTube, so that's cool. It took me a while with another video because I had to get through some mess in my life. That was aftermath of 2020, so I hope you understand. Thankfully, that's all behind me and I can come back to you with another video. I want to thank you for your feedback and hitting those like and subscribe buttons. That helped me a lot and gave me extra motivation and strength to come back and do more videos. So let's get to today's artwork, shall we? In this video I'll show you how I created this piece of art. Interesting fact, I took this picture myself, so I flew to Tenerife for a while working remotely and looking for some inspiration. And I found it on gas station in Tacoronte, which is a town on the north side of the island. Perfect place to capture a photo for my next artwork in synthwave 80s cyberpunkish style. Now I'll explain to you briefly every step that I did for this design. I remove all details like logos, texts, some junks from the road, etc, etc. I mixed up some options in camera raw. I've put DeLorean on the foreground and palm trees to the top sides. Then gradient map with magenta. Color lookup layer. I've put stars in the sky. I did some neon work for backlights of the DeLorean and Japanese symbols on a gas station. I used lasso tool to remove background from the rest of the photo and put some nice colors behind the gas station, palm trees and buildings. Also I used hue and saturation layers to make some highlights for main objects on the picture. And that's basically it in a nutshell. If you want to see the details, step by step, what I did to accomplish this final result, then just stay till the end of this video. Promise you, I removed all boring stuff like cutting background from DeLorean because who wants to watch that, right? So enjoy the video. And here it is, a final piece. I'm really happy with this one. I'm getting closer to the style that I would like to define for myself. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this material was helpful for you, leave me a like and drop me a comment down below. I read all your opinions and I appreciate them a lot. It helps me every time to deliver a better content. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this already. Thank you, and I see you in the next one. Good night.